Welcome. Today we will be discussing how to get maximum Agar slime credits. Now some may think do the most damage, but, well, let's just see. This is my highest damage so far, PS done all, except Doc. IK is not the best cookies, but it'll do. Speeding up. FASD. Okay, let's see how much I got. WHAAAAAT. We can do better with Wind, specifically Agar Cookie and Wind Archer. See, it's not how much damage you do that. Determines your total income is the amount of hits and since Agar sends. Tiny green leaves it hits the monster a lot.
I know a trick or two.
Using Wind Cape is useful too. Okay, make sure you have attack speed buffs. I use these. Super speed. Look at all the slime. Okay, Grand Revo. I got double what I got last time. I can sub for more helpful content. BYE.